So we're almost at the end of the book, and this is one of my favorite sketches too. This one's called Burglar Alarm. What Burglar Alarm does is it keeps your sisters and your brothers out of your stuff. So I'm going to turn it on right now, and we'll see what happens. Okay, so the sketch is on the Arduino right now. Now, Burglar Alarm works by looking to see if it's light or bright. Once the Arduino sees light, then it turns on the burglar alarm. It's real, and it flashes a bunch of lights, makes a bunch of noise. So let's see it right now. Yes, it worked. So if somebody tries to go into your room, it's all dark in there, and they turn on the lights, the burglar alarm's going to tell you that somebody's in there that shouldn't be in there. It's probably going to be your brother or your sister. That was a big problem for me when I was a kid. When you turn off the light, the alarm turns off too. It resets itself so that the next time somebody comes in, it goes off again. That's how it works. Well, have fun.